unlock her heart, master the art of irresistible charm with empathy and confidence. Clear and empathetic communication is the cornerstone of a strong relationship. It's about showing you understand and care deeply for her feelings and experiences. This kind of communication fosters a safe space where both partners feel valued and heard. Building and exhibiting healthy self-confidence makes a positive impression. It's not about arrogance, but displaying a secure sense of self-worth. This confidence is attractive and sets a solid foundation for the relationship, where both partners can grow and thrive. Demonstrating mutual respect in every interaction is essential. It creates a foundation of trust that is crucial for any relationship to succeed. Respect means valuing each other's opinions, feelings, and boundaries, ensuring a harmonious and loving partnership. Showing genuine interest in her life, dreams, and concerns is vital for deepening the connection. It's about more than just being present. It's actively engaging with her aspirations and worries, showing that you're truly invested in her happiness and success. Using positive humor to lighten the mood brings joy and laughter into the relationship. It creates memorable moments that bond you closer together. Humor is a powerful tool for navigating life's challenges and making the journey more enjoyable for both of you. Prioritizing self-care is crucial in any relationship. By focusing on your well-being, you naturally become the best version of yourself. This not only benefits you but also serves as an inspiration for your partner to embrace self-care practices. Sharing decisions and responsibilities equally strengthens the bond between partners. It fosters a sense of partnership and mutual respect, ensuring that both voices are heard. This equitable approach lays the groundwork for a balanced and harmonious relationship. Regular acts of kindness are the threads that weave a tapestry of affection and warmth in a relationship. These gestures, both big and small, demonstrate your care and devotion, warming her heart and solidifying your bond. Being attentive to the emotional environment ensures that your partner feels comfortable and valued. This sensitivity allows you to navigate her feelings and the dynamics of your relationship with care, creating a nurturing and supportive atmosphere. Continuous personal development is vital in keeping the relationship dynamic and growing. By committing to personal growth, you both can evolve together, facing life's challenges with resilience and deepening your connection through shared experiences and learning. Surprising her with personalized gestures goes beyond the ordinary, showing thoughtfulness and attention to detail that truly makes her feel special. Whether it's a custom gift or a handwritten note, these small acts of love spotlight your genuine affection and care. Making a public declaration of love isn't just about grand gestures, it's about openly expressing your pride and joy in having her in your life. This bold move demonstrates your commitment and the deep value you place on your relationship, strengthening your bond. Planning a romantic getaway offers a perfect escape to focus solely on each other, away from the distractions of daily life. It's an opportunity to create unforgettable memories, deepen your connection, and rekindle the spark, making every moment spent together even more meaningful. Participating in shared adventure activities introduces an element of excitement and novelty. Whether it's hiking, kayaking, or exploring a new city, these experiences create shared stories and memories, bringing a sense of adventure and closeness to your relationship. Using empathetic listening to truly understand her perspective is a cornerstone of building a deeper connection. It reflects your genuine interest in her thoughts and feelings, fostering a space where she feels heard, valued, and connected on a more profound level. Encouraging her ambitions and supporting her goals demonstrates unwavering belief in her capabilities. This genuine support not only strengthens your bond but also empowers her to pursue her dreams confidently, knowing she has a steadfast ally in her corner. Sharing vulnerabilities is a profound way to build trust and intimacy in a relationship. It creates a safe space for both partners, encouraging open and honest communication. This mutual support fosters a deeper, more meaningful connection, where both individuals feel truly understood and accepted. Celebrating her achievements and milestones is a powerful way to show genuine pride and admiration for her successes. This acknowledgement not only boosts her confidence but also reinforces the notion that you are truly invested in her happiness and well-being. Introducing her to your hobbies and interests invites her into your world, offering a glimpse into what excites and motivates you. This sharing of personal passions can foster a deeper connection and understanding, enriching the relationship with shared experiences and discoveries. Respecting her boundaries and personal space is crucial for maintaining a healthy relationship. It demonstrates your understanding and appreciation for her individuality, reinforcing a foundation of trust and mutual respect. This acknowledgement of her autonomy fosters a stronger, more balanced partnership. Finding common interests creates a beautiful sense of companionship. It allows both partners to share in activities they love, strengthening their bond. This shared joy is a testament to a healthy relationship, fostering a deeper connection through mutual enjoyment and experiences. Consistency in words and actions lays the foundation for trust in a relationship. When partners match their promises with their behavior, it builds a reliable and secure environment. This reliability is crucial for a relationship to flourish, as it assures both partners of their commitment and sincerity. Navigating disagreements with patience and understanding is vital for maintaining a healthy relationship. It's about listening, empathizing, and finding common ground without losing respect for each other. This approach allows couples to resolve conflicts in a way that strengthens their bond, rather than weakening it. Compliments are a powerful tool in expressing admiration and appreciation for one's partner. Thoughtful compliments that highlight unique qualities and acknowledge efforts show genuine care and attention. This not only boosts the partner's self-esteem but also reinforces the bond between the couple. Creating rituals or traditions together is a wonderful way to build a unique and special bond. Whether it's a weekly date night, a yearly trip, or a simple morning coffee routine, these shared experiences become cherished memories and milestones in the relationship, enriching it with meaning and togetherness. Appreciation for the small things she does can transform everyday moments into treasures of love and gratitude. Acknowledging her efforts in the day-to-day activities not only makes her feel valued but also nurtures a culture of mutual respect and affection in the relationship. Being her cheerleader, offering unwavering support and positivity, is vital. Encouragement in her endeavors signals your belief in her capabilities and dreams. This not only boosts her confidence but also strengthens the bond, creating a partnership where both individuals feel empowered and supported. Deep conversations are the bridges that connect hearts and minds. Engaging in meaningful dialogue allows both partners to explore their thoughts and feelings deeply. This not only enhances understanding but also fosters an emotional intimacy that is both enriching and sustaining. Willingness to compromise shows maturity and respect for the relationship. Finding a middle ground during disagreements underscores the importance of harmony over being right. It demonstrates a commitment to the partnership, prioritizing the bond over individual egos. Keeping the relationship exciting with spontaneous acts of love and affection ensures that the spark of romance never fades. Surprising her with thoughtful gestures keeps the relationship dynamic and unpredictable, making every day an opportunity to fall in love all over again.